6 to 8 weeks prior to the final frost, start your daisy seeds in a small pot of pre-moistened soil. Sprinkle the seeds on the soil surface, as they need sunlight to germinate. Then gently water. Make sure to keep the soil moist, but don't overwater. Germination should occur within 10 to 20 days. Once the plants have formed a few leaves, and outside is warm enough, gradually expose them to outdoor conditions, for about a week. Then transplant outdoors. For smaller varieties, like this one, space about 20 to 30 centimeters apart, and for larger varieties, space about 45 to 60 centimeters apart. Plant into well-draining soil. Ensure the plants are getting full sunlight. A common pest daisies might encounter are slugs. To get rid of them, manually remove the slugs, or get slug traps. Another common pest to watch out for are aphids. They are difficult to spot. Due to their small size, however, they often cluster together. To get rid of them, spray with an insecticidal soap or neem oil. Avoid wetting the leaves with water, to prevent mildew. Some daisies will flower in the first year, while others will flower the following spring. Depending on the variety, some will survive the winter in cold climates, while others will not. Each flower lasts 1 to 2 weeks. Remove the older flowers to encourage new ones to grow. If you are growing a perennial variety, they will likely survive for many years to come.